Jacaranda Hotel is back in business after Nairobi County Deputy Director of Public Health, Jairus Musumba, declared that the facility was fit to resume operation after complying with the new set food standards. Speaking during the reopening, Health Cabinet Secretary Cleopa Mailu urged all hotels and restaurants to practice good sanitation and hygiene in order to protect the public from contracting cholera.
It's not to close the institution, it's to help them to adhere to regulations. And Jacaranda has gone through the drill. And yesterday, we gave them the certificate and said, you can open and operate. And we want to assure Kenyans that it is safe to come to this hotel and any other hotel which we have not closed so far.
The CS applauded the management of the hotel for following the regulations set and that the ministry will issue guidelines and procedures for outsourcing food.
To thank the management of Jacaranda for complying and following the regulations which are laid down. That is what we want to do. We are not going to close any institution without reason, and neither are we going to prolong that closure after they meet the standards we need. Therefore, let us be vigilant, and I think we shall overcome what is affecting us. The issue of outsourcing of food, we have talked about it, and we shall issue guidelines and procedures on outsourcing so that like groups together to avoid infecting people.
This comes even as Kisumu County government set up 4 cholera isolation centers to control further spread of the disease following an outbreak in Kondiaga Maximum Prison.
So we have a cholera treatment center within the prison. We've also set one which is within the community close to the prison, and this is at the Rainbow Health Center just beyond the airport. And we set up a few other cholera treatment centers so that if anyone in the community has been identified as having diarrhea and vomiting symptoms, they should be taken immediately to those centers first.
Kisumu County Health Executive Dr. Elizabeth Ogaja urged food vendors and residents to observe hygiene and operate within the law to prevent spread of the disease. Samples of water in the prison were tested and found to be contaminated.
The government cannot force you to wash your hands. It is you who can wash your hands. So we are giving you the public health measures that you need to take before so that you can prevent yourself getting sick. For example, where you buy your fruits and your vegetables, washing your hands, making sure that you dispose of any human waste in an appropriate manner, and protecting your food sources.
Emily K. Bade reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.